Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale this amazing 10 bedroom, 10 bathroom house of 6,770 square feet that sits on 0.84 acres of level land. It is located in Comfort Hall, Trelawny. Downstairs is complete with 2 primary suites, 2 other bedrooms, and the helper's quarters. Also downstairs has a large living and dining area, kitchen and double carport, along with an amazing sunken living room. Upstairs is a blank canvas for you to complete your own personal taste. It consists of 5 ensuite bedrooms, large living and dining space, kitchen and balconies. The property is also well fruited. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422,300. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.